This software is not hosted on a local server, so it doesn't rely on a Wi-Fi environment. However, most of our devices are based on the 433 megahertz frequency, which we refer to as sub-1G communication. This forms a local area network, allowing the front desk to remotely manage all the door locks, access controls, and elevator controllers in the building. Let's take a quick look at some of the basic functions. First, here we have a home page that displays the distribution of all rooms, and you can also set up your public areas such as the gym, laundry room, reading room, and so on. Then for room 108, I have configured a door lock, so it will display one. Different colors, and as for the other rooms, it's because I haven't configured the door locks yet, so they don't have a display of their current status. All right, let's take a look at the basic functions. We select room 108, right-click, click the mouse, and we can see some basic functions like these. First of all, we have a basic function similar to traditional hotels, which is issuing a card. This is an offline card using Bluetooth, and you can use this card to unlock the door. In addition, if all the door locks are online, we can remotely assist at the front desk. Guests no longer need to bring their card to the front desk. We can help the guest extend their card's validity directly from the front desk. Moreover, we also provide a mobile key function, allowing residents or students. You can use a mobile app as an electronic key to open the door. Let's take a look at what it might look like. We enter the student's name, then we enter the student's email address, and after clicking authorize, the student will receive a message. In that email, there will be a download link for the app, as well as the address of the student dormitory and the room number where the student will be staying. Then, the student can use the mobile app to check in. Next, let's continue. We can also send both offline and online passwords. That is, we can set time-limited passwords, such as for 1 day, 2 days, or any specified duration. Of course, this is based on the premise that the lock has a password function. And if your door lock supports fingerprint recognition, we can also use fingerprint identity. The collector at the front desk can remotely assign a student's fingerprint to any lock. This way, the student can use their fingerprint to open the areas they are authorized to access, such as the gym or their own guest room, and so on. Moreover, if the lock is connected to the network, the building administrator can remotely open the room door. For example, if the student forgets to bring their card or forgets their password or forgets everything, they can call the front desk and the front desk can remotely help them open the door. Yes, these are some of the basic functions.